to Reviews, and today we're here with Culture Carton. If you are not familiar with this subscription box, it is a monthly subscription box for men. All the standard boxes include one essential book and an assortment of lifestyle items. I'm sorry, I need a little bit of water. I do have a 20% off coupon code for you guys, TREE. I'll put that down in the description box, that you can use on your first standard package. Alternately, you can just get the book for $16 or just the lifestyle items for $35. First, I know this is for men, but I love this too. So that should be said. Let's put that out there. It's a good box. So every box has an insert, and then they do an itemized breakdown for you so you can see the value of your box. We'll go over that at the end. We'll just first get into everything. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. First, we have Toola MultiTool. This is a bottle opener, a socket, a package opener, a universal wrench, metric and imperial rulers, elastometer insert, I don't know what is that, a storage chamber, magnetic retention, heavy duty socket. So this is a multi-tool. Let's see what it looks like, if I can open it. Actually, you got to be smart enough to open it. That's the trick, right, Henry? My cat's in here with me. Or am I doing this wrong? No, it's duh. Sorry, guys. There we go. Ah! Oh, there was two of these and they were in here, like this probably, but they fell over. Ta-da! So there it is. That's pretty cool. I'm doubting I would be able to take that on an airplane anytime soon, but not that's what we're thinking about. I don't know why I'm thinking about that. Anyway, we're going to keep going here. Next up we have Word. There are 3 Word notebooks made in the USA, 48 lined pages, the story of Word notebooks. As daily notebook users, we wanted to create the perfect pocket version to keep with us at all times. Something stylish and functional. We each had our own system for note-taking, and we wanted to standardize one for everybody. With that idea, Word Notebooks was born. Each feature our unique system to help organize your life. They're all designed and made in the USA and are meant to be archived. So this is a checkerboard. So that's kind of cool. Please don't so bad. Please don't so bad. Just wait until I'm done, and then I'll let you out. Okay? Come here. Come on, Henry. So these are super cute. I know what I'm going to do with these. My daughter, she loves like checkered bands and checkers. It's like very cool. So I'm going to actually give these to her. She loves notebooks. I don't know why she loves them. It's better than ripping up the carpet, right? All right. Then we have, this is from, this brand has sent a sanitizer before. This is BLDG Active, medical grade and medical grade skin and wound repair, supports the body's natural healing process. Oh, okay, so this is like for like an antiseptic. So you just spray this on like you would what's that, Neosporin, the spray. Cuts, scrapes, rashes, insect bites, burns, sunburns, and other mild skin irritations. Natural, non-toxic, sting-free, and safe to use around the eyes, ears, or mouth. There's that. So that's cool. That's a cool item. Excuse me. Can I get in here? All right, then we have our book. Enter the Aardvark, a novel by Jessica Anthony. I've never heard of this. Early one August morning, Millennial Congressman Alexander Payne Wilson, Republican, receives a mysterious package in the mail. Inside is an enormous taxidermied aardvark. What does it mean? Well, everything. Hurtling from the beginning of the universe to present-day Washington, D.C., this astonishing edge-of-your-seat novel is at once a piercing look into the sick heart of our democracy and a profoundly moving meditation on the nature of love, power, and evil. In the end, you will not only know the meaning of the aardvark, you will see our current reality through new eyes. So there is that. So that sounds actually really good. I'm excited to read that. Anyway, can you bring that down in there? All right, let's go over the pricing for the items in the box. So Enter the Aardvark is $17. The Toola MultiTool is $40. The Repair Spray from Active is $25. And the Word notebooks are $12, making this box have a total value of $94, which is a great deal. I will say I'm going to link down below to my full review. We're going to go in depth. We'll open everything up and kind of take it out and look at it. And I'll also link to Culture Carton as well, so you can check them out. I do really love this one. I feel like I find a lot of new books in this box. And it's not like that. I hate to sound so gender weighted, but when people consider things masculine, they tend to be a little more, I don't know. Sometimes I like them more, and I don't know what that says about me or anything in general, but it just tends to be true. So I do enjoy this box. I will link to it down below. As always, thank you guys for checking me out and hanging out with me and Henry. Do you want to say hi to them? No, you're just eating that string. Thanks, guys. See you later.